We're walking the Embarcadero, going to the Greyhound line bus, Gray Line bus company. So
For our city tour.
we are again at the Embarcadero strip in San Francisco City, and that's the bay, and somewhere there would be the Alcatraz prison. Okay, so we're walking, and I'm gonna, then there's a lady jogging, and we're walking. See here, there's Mama, pretty
Hello.
Mama Chichit. Okay,
Everybody's a giant
yeah.
fan.
What is giant fan here? Okay, there you go.
Yun, like Pier 14.
Here 14. We gotta go to
39.
here 39.
Ba't kanina hindi natin nabasa yung nakalagay pala Pier 14?
We parked at the Mission ba tayo? Market. Patay. Kalimutan ko na. Ma. Ha?
Tayo tumawid eh. Tayo tumawid.
Okay. There's Sinbad's Seafood House. Okay. And there's this lady from the Mercedes-Benz. Oh, she looks like Filipina from outside of a Mercedes-Benz. Okay. So it's sunny, windy, but it's sunny.
Hindi
Okay.
ba yun ang car?
Huh?
Hindi ba yun ang car natin?
Saan?
Yun? Hindi yun.
Saan yun?
Yung car natin.
Hindi tayo dyan. Ayun, yun, doon.
Ha?
Mission Street pala tayo. Okay. So this is just Pier 2. Holy shit. That's a long walk. Okay, over and out.